Hey friends, it's Kelly and welcome back to Mama Needs a Goal. Thank you so much for joining me today, and if you're new here, welcome, welcome. So friends, as you can see from behind me, I did a quick little Costco haul, so let's turn this camera around and get started. All right, my friends, so here we go. I just had run out of a couple little things, so I wanted to go to Costco, and there was one item that I have had my eye on at Costco that I had been wanting, but I didn't want to pay the price. Give you a sneak peek over there. And it finally went on sale this month, so I was like, I need to go to Costco. I gotta go get it. Anyway, so let's start back here. We got 2 gallons of milk. And we got a bag of the Italian style meatballs. You're going to be seeing an upcoming video, or you may have already seen the video. I'm not sure which one of these will go up first, of a crock pot recipe with using those meatballs. I picked up some Mexican cheese. It's a 2-pack. We go through a lot of those. I was out of shrimp. We buy the 31.40 shrimp per pound, raw shrimp. I think I'm going to be planning jambalaya for dinner one day. Some string cheese, I put those in the kids' lunches. We got some more chicken nuggets. They are a staple in our house. The kids eat them all the time. Another one of our staples is the rotisserie chicken breast. So I picked up 2 packets of those because with the weather changing, I do a lot of casseroles, and these are great to use in casseroles. And then here I picked up the chewy protein bars. I have never bought these before. I'm not sure if these are new. I've never seen them, or I really never paid attention, so they're new to me. So I'm going to bought those for hubby and the boys, so I'll be putting those in their lunch. And then this is something new. It's a limited edition fall variety pack. There's 2 packs of the maple cream cookies and 1 pack of the pumpkin spice cream cookies. I do have a video coming out that will feature these in that video. So it'll be out sometime either this month or next. And then I have some diced tomatoes. I used the last of those up when we made the chili, so I'm restocking my pantry. Both of the boys have been sick. They have nasty, nasty colds. So I picked up some more of the cold and flu medicine for them. And then back here I have some Rice Krispie treats for the kids' lunches, and also some Pringles for their lunches as well. We needed more Splenda, so I picked up the 2-pack of Splenda. And then here, as a lot of you know, I've been watching what I'm eating, and I don't want to call it dieting. It's just a new way of eating. I've kind of been doing IF, and I think I'm going to be sharing some of that with you all soon, but I'm down 23 pounds now, and my clothes are starting to fall off of me. Costco shirts always are cut small, so I went with the extra, extra large, but I have gotten down to a smaller size, but in Costco shorts I have to go with that. I dropped a pant size, so I picked up a new pair of pants. This is way out of my comfort zone, these colors. I don't think I've ever worn pants like this color, but you know what? I'm trying it. I'm going for it. And then here I picked up some pajamas for my great nephew. I always send him a box for Halloween and have all kind of goodies in there. And I thought, you know, what kid doesn't want some warm, fuzzy, comfy jammies? So I'm going to add that. And then I picked up some more of the Hearty White Farmhouse bread. And then here it is. Ta-da! I have had my eye on this tier tray. It's a Lazy Susan tier tray. I have had my eye on this thing. It was $40, and I just could not bring myself to pay $40 for it. I just couldn't do it. So it went on sale for $29 this month. And I wrote it on my list because I was going to get it. And when I got there, I was like, beeline, first thing, right to it. And thank goodness they still had them, so I was able to get it. So I'm pretty excited that I did get that. So also I'll be having, I'll be doing some tier tray decorating with this. I'm so excited. I can't wait. I know y'all think I'm crazy, but oh, I love this. Oh, I also did get a case of plain water and a case of flavored water, which are out in the garage. So with all of that said, this is everything that I purchased. I'll give you a second. Let me know below how much you think I spent. And my total was $269.74 for all of this plus the 2 cases of water. So as you can see, I did get, quite a bit of meat there with the 2 packs of the rotisserie chicken, the shrimp, and the meatballs. So that's where most of my money went. That and the tier tray. And the clothes, of course. So anyway, thanks so much, friends, for joining me. I really appreciate it. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe because it truly helps me out. If you have not checked me out on Facebook, I am very, very active over there, so please consider checking me out over on Facebook, Mama Needs a Goal. Also Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok as well. So friends, thanks so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time. Bye!